you just heard Pope Leo address 16,000 teens. What was that like for you?
I mean, it was out of this world. I never thought that I'd be able to do something like that.
Making part of history, first digital visit by the Pope.
Definitely like once in a lifetime experience.
It was amazing.
I feel so enlightened from everything that he told us.
It's just a surreal experience.
This has probably been one of the greatest religious experiences of my life.
He spoke with such clarity, and really everything was just so insightful and wonderful.
His wisdom just shocked me. His words were really great, inspirational.
What was it like, when you found out that he was gonna be speaking to young people? Did you first think it was it's gonna be recorded, and then you found out
I
it's
thought
live?
it was just gonna be like a little recorded message that it was gonna be, and
Right.
then I saw an ad somewhere that was gonna be a live message. And I was like, oh my gosh.
What was one thing that he said that really spoke to you?
I really enjoyed how he spoke about building the right connections and that speaking with the right people and building friends that will bring you closer to God and Jesus is most important.
Mainly the stuff about technology of our day, really focusing on that human interaction is not replaceable.
I really like the digital part, inspired me to use technology for good for the church. And just try to help the future. How we're the present. And we gotta help the future of the church.
What are your thoughts on his response to AI?
I thought that was really good.
I think with his point of trying to use that for the better and not for the worse in life, that can help grow in our Christian faith. When he was talking about AI use, and he said if you're using social media, AI, any technology, just make sure that it doesn't control your life and that you use it to make your life better.
If you could have asked him a question, what would you ask him?
If I could have asked him, pretty much probably the same stuff that they asked him actually, just how do you feel about the youth and AI and all that kind of stuff.
Probably what his favorite pizza topping is.
He talked about how we can contribute and be part of the future, but how individually we can choose to get closer to God and do that to help get closer to him in the future.
Amazing.